Another imperative item is the childcare environment. Accreditation. Any employer that is providing childcare or is paying an employee for their childcare must be accredited. This is to ensure quality, health, and safety. Accountability is to maintain family rights and again to be accredited to hold childcare centers accountable. Health and safety. Culturally diverse, meeting the needs of all families, and quality. Here I have listed the links to where you may view what is defined as quality. Childcare centers will get accredited through the National Association for Educating Young Children. They may also go through the quality rating system. Unintended consequences. One issue that is inevitable is potential through employers. Employers may have trouble foreseeing the plan, the extra workload to set up a center, and financial support. Well, I have a few solutions. Use of state child care program and accreditation staff. They are an abundance of resource. Grants for employers, and treated as its own sector with immediate and close access to all staff. It's going to be accessible. My hope is that small towns will not have any unintended consequences. My intentional plan is to also provide them grants used to set up their child care center or to cover accreditation expenses. Centralized to all businesses in collaboration. In small towns, for example, we could make it so that there's one centralized location for all businesses that is accredited. This will also we can also put in place a plan to support child care centers already established by getting them accredited. This is what the grants will be for. We need to ensure that we are willing to invest in the country overall, because it creates a large economic advantage. What we put into our future is what we are going to get out. And putting money into our society promotes the money coming out. Not only is it an advantage to our families, but to our economy. My call to action is to propose that we have a decision made by the end of the fiscal year, that we may start the process and have a plan to complete the process throughout the following year. It may be essential that we reach out for feedback from childcare providers and employers, that there may be a compromise or any amendments made to the policy in order to make it happen. It will be imperative that we put a plan in place. Review. The policy is going to be put in place to support families, children, employees, and employers, address current issues, funding is covered, and quality child care is put in place for the future of our children. Meet accreditation standards and culturally diverse